Hello everyone, my name is Jesse Jaramillo. I'm from Amphenol Assembletech. Assembletech is a division of Amphenol that focuses on inside-the-box high-speed cable assemblies. And we've partnered today with Alphawave to show this demo of our PCIe Gen7 solution. As we all know, the PCIe most new signal requirements is a PAM4 128 gigabit per second. And we have a special solution that we have done that we haven't done before with plugs, high-speed plugs. Historically, this has been a PCB-based interface, but we've designed a stamp contact lead frame, and is how we're able to get a better performance to meet the PCIe Gen7 128 gigabit per second. With the stamped contact, we're able to get better signal interior response and a more consistent pair-to-pair performance. So we have a 1 meter cable assembly. Along with our sister division, we have a riser Gen 7 solution, and it's all cascaded into the Alphawave SerDes. The receptacle and the bull cable are also custom made to be able to process the PAM4 signaling, the 128. As we know, the signal-to-noise ratio for this most newer designs of technology are very sensitive, so we have to take very precise manufacturing techniques to be able to build this cable assembly.
Hi, I am Abhijit. I'm a senior SI engineer at Amphenol Communication Solutions. So I want to continue on what Jesse was saying before. So I'm introducing our PCIe Gen6 CAM connector solution, which is part of the Gen 7 channel, which we are showing here. And this is part of the SSIO product division of Amphenol, which is responsible for high-speed interconnect solutions for server storage and networking. With PCIe Gen 6, we are doubling the data rate of Gen 5 and also maintaining a backward compatibility to Gen 5 and previous PCI CAM standards. So if you have any questions regarding the PCI CAM products or SSIO products, you can feel free to reach out to us. And thank you for your time.